Today we will be fitting pads and rotors to a Ford Ranger. Please remember, brake pads and rotors must be changed in axle sets. You will need to gather all tools required for the job. Firstly, you need to lift or raise the vehicle safely and securely. Remove wheels. Then remove the brake calipers from the carriers and secure the calipers out of the way, ensuring not to overstretch the brake line. We then remove the pads. Remove brake caliper carriers. This will vary from vehicle to vehicle, and some vehicles that utilize a multi-piston non-sliding caliper will not have carriers such as these to remove. Remove brake rotors. Clean vehicle hubs and caliper carriers, ensuring all components are free from dirt, dust, corrosion and debris. We can then fit new rotors, ensuring not to get dirt or oil on the braking surface. Reinstall brake caliper carriers. All torque and tightness specifications and hardware specifications must be followed as supplied or specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Install your new brake pads, paying close attention to their orientation and placement. Push pistons back in the calipers and inspect calipers for any wear or damage. Be sure to keep an eye on the brake fluid level. Refit calipers to the carrier mounting brackets. Once again, all torque and tightness specifications and hardware specifications must be followed as supplied or specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Fit wheels and torque hardware to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Before you take a test drive, with the engine off, pump the brake pedal a few times until firm.